Hi guys! In this video, let's do a number problem. So the problem is, how many positive 5-digit numbers use the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Let's find out! Okay, so now here, what's the lowest number we can get with these numbers? And it's 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that's the lowest positive 5-digit number we can get with these numbers. So what's the highest 5-digit number we can get? It would be 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 with these numbers. So here, let's write the 10,000 here. So here, let's take this as the first digit. This is second digit, third digit, fourth digit, and fifth digit. Here, let's start off with the first digit. So the first digit, the possibilities are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 possibilities. So now let's go with the second digit. So 2 digits. So 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, this could be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. So here, for the 0, all of this repeat for the 1, all of this repeat for the 2, all of this repeat for the 3, all of this repeat for the 4, all of this repeat for the 5, all of this repeat. So there are 6 of these numbers, right? And there are also 6 of these. So if each of these repeats 6 times, so it would be 6 times 6, which we can write as 6 squared. Now let's go with 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. So here, for the third digit, it would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, for each of these digits, this whole thing would repeat. So for the 0, this whole thing would repeat. For 1, the whole thing would repeat all the way to 5. So here there are also 6 numbers. And for each of the numbers, it's 6 times 6. So there are 6 numbers here. So that means it would be 6 times 6 times 6, which we can write as 6 cubed. So do you guys notice any patterns? So for the first digit, we have 6. Second digit, we have 6 squared. Third digit, we have 6 power 6 cubed. So that means for the fourth digit, we would have 6 power 4. For the fifth digit, we would have 6 power 5. But this actually isn't the answer, because look, if we had 0 at the front, it wouldn't count as a 5-digit number. It would count as a 4-digit number. So in the end, in the last digit, it would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 numbers, right? But instead of that, we can take out a 0, like that. So we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means instead of 6 power 5, it would be 6 power 4 times 5. So this would equal 6,480. So there are 6,480 different positive 5-digit numbers using the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 6,480 is the answer. So that's the answer. Let's do math every day. And don't forget to like this video. Bye!